Ever needed a little financial boost before payday but felt stuck between a rock and a hard place? We've all been there. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes your paycheck just can't stretch far enough. You might have considered payday loans, but the sky-high interest rates and short repayment terms can be terrifying. So, what if there was a different way? A way to access a portion of your pay early, without the crippling debt cycle? That's where Beforepay comes in. And in this video, we're diving deep into how Beforepay works for the very first time. Beforepay offers what's called pay on demand. Think of it as accessing a small portion of your future earnings before your actual payday. It's not a loan, so there's no interest involved. Instead, Beforepay charges a small fixed fee on each advance. This fee is transparent and you'll know exactly what it is before you confirm anything. No hidden charges, no surprises later on. Now, let's walk through the process, step by step, for your first time using Beforepay. First things first, you'll need to download the Beforepay app. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, you'll need to create an account. This is where you'll provide some basic information about yourself. Don't worry, the process is quick and easy. After setting up your account, you'll need to link your bank account. This is a crucial step, as it allows Beforepay to verify your income and ensure you have sufficient funds to repay the advance. Beforepay uses secure technology to connect to your bank account, so your financial information is safe and protected. They use read-only access, which means they can view your transactions but cannot make any changes to your account. Once your bank account is linked, Beforepay's smart system analyzes your income and spending habits. This analysis helps determine how much you can access through Beforepay. The amount you can access is based on several factors, including your regular income, your spending patterns, and your repayment history. This personalized approach ensures responsible lending and helps you avoid overextending yourself. Now, for the exciting part, requesting your first cash advance. Once your account is set up and your borrowing limit is determined, you can request a portion of your upcoming salary. You'll be able to see the exact amount you can access, the fee associated with the advance, and the repayment date. Everything is laid out clearly, so you can make an informed decision. After you've reviewed all the details and you're happy with everything, simply confirm your request. The funds will typically be transferred to your linked bank account within minutes, sometimes even instantly. This is where the speed and convenience of Beforepay really shine. No waiting around for days, no complicated paperwork. Just quick access to the funds you need, when you need them. Now, let's talk about repayment. Beforepay automatically debits the repayment amount from your linked bank account on your designated payday. This ensures you never miss a payment and helps you avoid any late fees. Beforepay will send you reminders before your repayment date, so you're always aware of when the debit will occur. This automated system makes repayment hassle-free and helps you stay on top of your finances. So, there you have it. A simple, straightforward, and transparent way to access a portion of your pay early. It's designed to help you bridge the gap between paydays and avoid those stressful situations where you're short on cash. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.